Let's begin with the basics, adding page numbers to a document. With your document open on the first page, click the Insert tab. Go to the header and footer grouping. Select the Page Number drop-down menu. Choose where you want the number to appear from the 4 options. Open the Page Number drop-down menu again. Select from the style you need. Now, Word will automatically insert page numbers there throughout your document. If all you need is this continuous numbering from beginning to end, you're done. What if you need to remove the page number from just the first page, as required in style guides such as MLA and Chicago Turabian? To do this, select Insert from the top ribbon, activate your cursor in the header and footer area, and check Different First Page in the tool set up above. Now the physical page number disappears from the first page, but continues normally throughout the rest of the document. This is often all you need for regular class assignments.